Hey guys, Matt with CJ Off-Road here. Now today I want to go over the rigid adapt light bar on the front end of my Jeep, as I've had it for over a year now, and I just want to give a full review and let you guys know if the rigid adapt light bar is really worth it. Now, just a spoiler alert right in the front, I will say that I absolutely love this light bar, and it has really suited my needs for just about any type of driving that you can do, both on and off the road. You can see right now that I have it in the circulating backlight setting, which means it's going to rotate through all the available colors and just be a really aggressive looking light up front. Now what you can do on the inside on the self-controller is actually go through and select what color you want to perfectly match the exterior of your Jeep. I normally keep it at an amber light just so that it can be used as a marker light up front while I'm driving on the highway, but if you did have a blue or red or pretty much any color accent on your vehicle, you can perfectly match it with this light bar. I will say that personally the coolest part to this is that pretty much every style of beam is built right into this light. Now what I mean by beam is that you have a few different beam patterns when you have a light or an LED. Now basically you have a reflector in the back that changes the way that the pattern of the light goes down the road, and this one builds everything in. There's actually small motors and mechanisms in back there that can actually widen or narrow the beam and shoot it further down the road, or split it out wide, or find somewhere right in between. You can build in the settings with a number 1 and number 2 setting. That way if you click that, it goes exactly to what you're looking for. It also has dual adjusting brackets on the side to make sure that you get a nice firm fitment, and fits great on the front end of this ARB bumper. I will say though, probably the biggest con to these is that they are a little bit pricey. And a little bit pricey, they're pretty expensive. This one here, the 10-inch is almost $900 for it. But with that, you're getting 9 different beam patterns built in, and it's almost like getting 9 lights built right into one. So you're getting a wide beam, you're getting a spot beam, a driving beam, everything that you need. It's all at a click of a button. So now you can get increments of 10, 20, 30, or 40 inches on these, and they all include everything that you need to get them bolted up as well as installed. The harness on them is great, and the flat panel switch indicates what light you have on the backlight. It's completely a backlit switch, and it really gives a nice aggressive looking switch on the inside of your vehicle that matches a lot of modern vehicles. So if you're looking for an all-in-one built-in light bar that's going to give you every light, every feature, and even a backlighting that you can adjust, this is definitely what you're looking for. I highly recommend it, and if you're interested in checking one of these out, personally I recommend them, and they're available right here at cjponyparts.com, as well as a ton of other rigid lighting. If you want to check out the installation of this light bar as well as the switch on the inside, be sure to check out that video, which will drop below. Until next time guys, I'm going to be using this light bar, and I'll see you out on the trail.